Hi, this is Colin coming to you from Newmarket, New Hampshire, the home of Russound. Here to talk today about the MBX PRE. The MBX PRE is a replacement for our X Source. So everyone who's been installing the X Source, please take a look at the new MBX PRE. You're going to love it. It's night and day difference inside and outside. And I'll tell you why. First, we added more connectivity. So before you can connect with Ethernet, have a nice reliable connection. You can still do that today, but now we added another feature, which is an 802.11ac dual band Wi-Fi radio. So you can connect this via Wi-Fi easily in your home. We added a Bluetooth radio, so you can add an additional audio source. But not only are you getting Bluetooth built in, you're getting two new streaming audio sources. We're adding Tidal and Deezer built into this box. So the nicest thing you're going to see is, especially when you open up the Russound app and you connect to an MBX box, you're going to see gorgeous menu selection, fast browsing through menus with album art. So as you're selecting and browsing through on our app to look at choices of what you want to listen to, you'll see this beautiful view with album art scrolling through to make things easy to find, and a really elegant, nice update to the My Russound app when using it with an MBX box. Just as with the X Source, this connects easily to any Russound controller, so an MCA66, MCA88, designed to work built in. It'll actually work with any system, any amp, any receiver, if you put this in zone mode, just like with our X Source. All the details are available on the Russound website for the MBX PRE, so you can take a look at all those features. On the back, the most important part I know you've been waiting for, we added two key things. Sources. We were asked, can we please add an additional source to select from? Well, we did that, but we actually gave you two. We gave you a digital audio input, and we gave you an analog 3.5mm input. Both of those are available at any time and always selectable from the Russound app. So now you can add two sources into the MBX PRE anytime that you'd like. Just select them from the app. On the front panel, we added convenient controls for volume, play and pause, and also a great new feature here for all of the MBX products. You'll see the same button panel control with quick access to favorites. So if you're listening to something you'd like to hear again, come up and press the button, press and hold it for a few seconds. It's instantly stored, just like a car radio preset button would work. Then whenever you want to hear it again, come back and tap that button. It'll start playing again. So really easy, quick access to your music, what Russound is famous for. You're really going to love the new MBX PRE. It's a huge update to our X Source line. You're going to see a new line of MBX products coming along with it. Please check it out on the Russound website. Again, this is Colin from Russound, and I'd like to say thank you for buying Russound products. Thank you.